Hi, I'm Brittany from the Postech team, and I'm answering your frequently asked questions. Have you ever wondered what you can even build on top of Postech screw piles? Let's go meet with Marcia so she can tell us a little bit more about that. I'll see you there. Hi Marcia, what can a screw pile be used for?
Well, Brittany, any kind of structure that requires a foundation is a perfect project for a screw pile or a helical pile, such as a house, mod home, deck, shed, dock, sea can, or fence, just to name a few.